How to install luxury vinyl plank flooring like a pro, step-by-step beginner guide. Have you ever installed vinyl plank flooring only to end up with uneven seams, visible gaps, or loose boards? The good news is, installing luxury vinyl plank flooring isn't difficult, but there are a few professional tricks that make all the difference. Today I'll show you exactly how to install LVP flooring step by step, including the mistakes beginners make, the tools you'll need, and the techniques professionals use to get a clean, long-lasting floor. Hello, I'm Ken Conley with Conleys Home Improvement. Let's get started. Luxury vinyl plank flooring has become one of the most popular flooring choices for homeowners, and for good reason. It looks like real hardwood. It's waterproof, scratch-resistant, easy to maintain, much less expensive than hardwood, and most importantly, it's a DIY-friendly project that can save you thousands of dollars in installation costs. Many homeowners spend between $2,000 and $8,000 hiring installers. Doing it yourself can dramatically reduce that cost. Now let's look at what you need to get the job done right. Having the right tools makes the installation faster and helps prevent damaged flooring. You don't need every specialty tool professionals own, but these basic tools will make your project much easier. One tool many beginners skip is knee pads. Trust me, after several hours on your knees, you'll be glad you have them. Having the right tools is the first step, but the next one is just as critical: acclimation. Before installing anything, bring the flooring inside your home for at least 48 hours. This allows the material to adjust to the temperature and humidity. Skipping this step can lead to expansion, contraction, and unwanted gaps later. This is where professionals separate themselves from beginners. Your finished floor is only as good as the surface underneath it. The subfloor should be clean, dry, flat, level. Remove every nail, every staple, every piece of debris. Even a tiny pebble trapped underneath can eventually damage your floor. If you find low spots, use floor patch. If you find high spots, sand them down. Taking extra time here prevents squeaks, movement, and uneven flooring later. Never start laying flooring without a plan. Measure the room. Calculate your first and last row. Avoid ending with a tiny strip. If necessary, rip the first row slightly narrower so both sides look balanced. This is a key professional difference. Professionals think about the last row before installing the first one. Now let's get that first row in. The first row determines everything. Take your time, place spacers around the walls, 1/4-inch expansion gap. Connect each plank carefully. Use a tapping block if needed. Keep checking to make sure the row stays perfectly straight. If your first row starts crooked, every row after it will be crooked too. Let's move on to the rest of the room. Now the room begins coming together. Stagger the end joints at least 6 to 8 inches. This creates a stronger floor. Insert the plank at an angle. Lock the long side first, then tap the short joint into place. Never strike the flooring directly with a hammer. Always use a tapping block designed for vinyl plank flooring. Keep checking for tiny gaps. Fix them immediately. Every room has obstacles: door frames, floor vents. Use templates whenever possible. An oscillating multi-tool makes cutting door jambs much easier. This allows the flooring to slide underneath for a clean look. Once the flooring is complete, remove all spacers, install baseboards or quarter round. Never nail through the flooring itself. The floor needs room to expand and contract naturally. Install transition strips where different flooring types meet. Finally, vacuum the floor, then damp mop it according to the manufacturer's recommendations. Let's review the top mistakes. Avoid these 10 mistakes: skipping preparation, no acclimation, crooked first row, forgetting gaps, damaging edges, not staggering joints, wrong underlayment, wet subfloor, rushing cuts, not reading instructions. Avoid these and your floor will last. Installing luxury vinyl plank flooring is one of the best DIY projects you can tackle. It completely transforms a room, adds value to your home. Take your time, measure carefully, and you'll end up with a floor you'll be proud of every time you walk into the room. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Conley's Home Improvement for more DIY projects. Questions? Leave them in the comments. Thanks for watching, and remember, measure twice, cut once. I'll see you in the next project. Conley's Home Improvement, making your home look good one project at a time. How to install luxury vinyl plank flooring like a pro, step-by-step beginner guide. Follow at Conleys-Home Improvement. Thanks for subscribing and following. Again, thanks for viewing, and I'll see you in the next video.